Hey everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. Hope you all are doing great. So I'm making water candle which looks extremely awesome. To make it, you need glass ball, glass or a jar, different sizes shells, marble ball, rocks which can be simple or colored, stars, now take a ball, put marble balls, oh look at the size, it's so big. Add rocks, mix it, add stars, shells, now pour water, add oil, I'm using cooking oil, take a bottle, make a circle, cut it. Now make a hole in the middle, I've made a width of cotton balls, just rub it on your palm and it's done. Now insert it, place it on ball and it's done. I hope you like it. If you do, please like it and share it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also watch these videos. Thanks for watching.